something I've been promising now for a while, a Galifrey Time War soldier. The base figure was a Roman Auton figure from Series 5 of Doctor Who. Using reference pictures from the 50th anniversary special The Day of the Doctor, I got to work on the figure. I resculpted the helmet using the figure's original head sculpt as a foundation. I painted it a dark brown colour, as well as adding some red features that are on the helmet. But I left the face as it is due to it being a generic soldier, so I'll let you decide what you want to do with it. Using boiling water, I removed the figure's original shoulder plate armour as well as the PVC chest armour from the chest, and sculpted on the Gallifreyan armour, including the shoulder pads. I then painted them dark brown, except for the arms, which I used a lighter brown, and gave the armour a dark black wash to make it look more dirty and bring out the plated details. I also used black to paint the fingerless gloves, as well as bronze for the Gallifrey symbol on the shoulders. I took this spare belt from a Novice Hain figure, painted it, and glued it to the figure. In terms of this belt, this came from the same Novice Hain figure I used for my Molly O'Sullivan custom figure. Finally, the costume had a codpiece, so I sculpted that onto the figure, as well as the boots and shin armour, and I painted that to match with the rest of the armour. And that's the figure. Hope you like it!